Did you know that nearly 40% of men over the age of 45 struggle with low testosterone levels? That's millions of people feeling frustrated with fatigue, decreased muscle mass, and lack of motivation. But what if I told you there's a way to fix it and take back control of your health and fitness? In this video, we'll break down why you may be struggling with low testosterone and how you can turn it around. Hey, I'm your name, a certified health coach and fitness enthusiast. I've been helping people optimize their health for over 5 years, and I've personally battled low testosterone. So, I understand how hard it can be to gain muscle, feel energized, or even stay motivated when your hormones are out of whack. But the good news is, I've learned what works and I'm here to help you fix it. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at what low testosterone is, why it might be holding you back from achieving your fitness goals, and most importantly, how you can fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step plan to boost your testosterone naturally, improve muscle growth, and regain your vitality. Let's start by breaking down what testosterone does. It's a hormone responsible for muscle growth, fat distribution, bone density, and even mood regulation. But when levels dip below normal, it can lead to fatigue, increased body fat, muscle loss, and even depression. This isn't just an issue for older men. More and more young men are seeing their testosterone levels drop due to stress, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, and environmental factors. Low testosterone doesn't just impact your fitness goals, it affects your overall health and well-being. You might find it harder to build muscle, recover from workouts, or even muster the energy to hit the gym. And it's not just physical, your mood and confidence can take a hit too. I had a client, Jake, who was hitting the gym 6 days a week, eating clean, but his muscle gains were minimal. He was frustrated. After testing his testosterone, we found out it was much lower than normal. By implementing the steps I'm about to share, Jake was able to turn things around and start seeing results in just a few weeks. So how do we fix low testosterone? The solution lies in addressing the root causes and making targeted lifestyle changes. We're going to look at improving your diet, adjusting your workouts, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and incorporating key supplements. First, your diet plays a huge role in hormone production. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean meats, eggs, nuts, and seeds. Zinc and magnesium are crucial minerals for testosterone production, so include foods rich in these, like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and almonds. Exercise. Lifting heavy weights, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses can trigger a surge in testosterone. Keep your workouts intense, but don't overtrain. Rest is equally important. Sleep. Studies show that testosterone production peaks during sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to help your body recover and maintain optimal hormone levels. Stress management. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which can lower testosterone. Implement stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or even just taking a walk outside. Supplements. Certain supplements can give you a boost. Vitamin D, omega-3s, and adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha have been shown to support healthy testosterone levels. Testosterone production is regulated by the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal HPG axis. When this system is disrupted by factors like poor sleep, chronic stress, or a nutrient-deficient diet, testosterone levels drop. Research shows that men who follow a diet high in healthy fats and low in processed sugars tend to have higher testosterone levels. According to Dr. John Chrysler, a leading expert in men's health, one of the most overlooked factors in testosterone production is lifestyle. Men often seek quick fixes, but what they really need is a sustainable, holistic approach, he says. Show diagrams illustrating how testosterone is produced and its effects on the body. Use a chart showing the correlation between poor sleep and lower testosterone. Include an infographic listing testosterone-boosting foods. Demonstrate heavy compound lifts like squats and deadlifts. Show variations of height, high-intensity interval training, and explain how short bursts of intense exercise can increase testosterone. Use on-screen text to highlight key points during exercise demonstrations. Include a split screen showing proper vs improper exercise techniques. One of the most common mistakes is overtraining. When you push your body too hard without proper recovery, cortisol levels spike, which can actually reduce testosterone. Make sure to balance intense workouts with adequate rest. Progress may be slow at first, but consistency is key. Celebrate small wins. whether that's hitting a new PR at the gym or noticing more energy during the day. Setting realistic, short-term goals can keep you motivated on your journey. I'd love to hear your experiences. Have you struggled with low testosterone? What's worked for you? Drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to respond to as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your health and fitness. Share this video with anyone you think might benefit. To sum up, optimizing testosterone is about making lifestyle changes focus on nutrition, sleep, exercise, and stress management. With these adjustments, you can take control of your testosterone levels and see real results in your muscle gains, energy, and overall well-being. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos, whether it's more workout tips, diet plans, or specific health advice.